कमाने वाली औरत अच्छी माँ नहीं होती, कमाने वाली औरत अच्छी बीवी नहीं होती, और कमाने वाली औरत अपना घर नहीं संभाल सकती.
He posts pictures of girls and boys and their profiles, and boys only want good-looking girls.
Financial inclusion is the major part in women empowerment.
All the land that's available to purchase,
Only 1% is owned by
women.
देखिए जी रुबीना जमाल, बिल्कुल आप गलत कह रहे हैं. हमारी दादी, नानी, चाची, मामी वो सब ये कहते होते हैं कि जो औरत कमाती है, एक तो उसके पैसे में बरकत नहीं है.
I think financial inclusion is one of the most important things because that gives you confidence.
बट लड़कियां तो खूबसूरती में उलझ के रह गई हैं. 6 घरों की औरतें अपने घर के काम खुद करती हैं.
मैं आपको बताऊं, मैं लड़कियों से क्या कहती हूँ, मैं कहती हूँ आप बोलो जाके मेरे सर में दर्द है, मैं आज नहीं कर सकती, प्लीज बाहर से खाना मंगवा. Rubbish. Most women spend most of their money on making their children's lives better.
Education.
Yeah.
No, Rubina, no, you are wrong again, because the whole story of a girl's life is getting married to the right man.
Don't do this. Use your time wisely. जो वर्क के बाद का टाइम है ना, वो बच्चों के लिए होना चाहिए.
Please welcome Rubina Jamal, CEO Insolito, who is such a preacher of breaking the molds. How are you, Rubina?
I'm fine, thank you, and happy to be here.
Yes. So, what do you think about women, Rubina, in general?
All right, so, well, there are a lot of things we have to unlearn in order to succeed. The board members are looking for women at the C-suite level, at senior levels, and they just can't find them. So there's something wrong. We're here, we'd like to be there, and why are we not able to bridge that gap?
Oh wow. Oh wow. Do you think that financial inclusion is the major part in women empowerment?
Well, I think financial inclusion is one of the most important things because that gives you confidence. Do you know that of all the land in this world, only 1% is owned by women
in the globe?
Yes, of all the land that's available to purchase,
only 1% is
owned by women. So we normally don't even have a space that's our own. We don't have, our homes are in the names of our husbands, our fathers, our brothers. So when you have financial empowerment, then you can make your own life decisions. Then you stand in a higher place. You're not dependent on people. And that's how I was raised. My father always used to tell me that you have to get an education so that you can stand on your own 2 feet no matter what happens.
No matter what happens. देखिए जी रुबीना जमाल, बिल्कुल आप गलत कह रहे हैं. हमारी दादी, नानी, चाची, मामी वो सब ये कहते होते हैं कि जो औरत कमाती है, एक तो उसके पैसे में बरकत नहीं है, और नंबर 2 वो फिर घर में शायद उस तरह से इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेती. What do you say about that?
All right, so मैंने शादी की. I had twins 10 months after I got married. And then I have a third child also. And so I'm a case study, right? And I worked ever since my twins were about 3 years old. That's when I started working. And just to give you an example, my youngest son, when he was about to get married, I said, we were talking about possible girls, na? I said, us bachchi ko dekh lo, achhi pyari bachchi. And he's like, no mom, she doesn't have goals. वो सारा वक्त कॉफी पार्टीज, लंच पार्टीज पे जा रही होती है. अच्छा, अब वो पढ़ी लिखी है, ऐसा नहीं था. She went abroad and got her degree. He said, but now I see बस वो कॉफी पार्टीज हैं और टी पार्टीज हैं. I want someone with goals like you.
Hi.
So, you know, and
but लड़कियां तो खूबसूरती में उलझ के रह गई हैं. They are so much self-centered about the personification and beautification that they are not upgrading their skills, specifically in Pakistan. Yes or no?
Yeah, I think, you see, because we were conditioned as we grow up that beauty is important. बच्ची तैयार होके आती है, ईद की चूड़ियाँ, ईद के कपड़े, बर्थडे का ड्रेस, ये वो. It's all about how she looks. So we create that in our mind that her looks are important. So I'll give you an example of how important looks can be, and it links in with the imposter syndrome. I know this girl, she got married. It was an arranged situation, and she was telling me on the side, she said, when I met him first, I thought he's so good looking, why would he marry me? And in my opinion, that girl was very pretty, and the boy was nice looking, but not something amazing. So why do we think that our success lies in the way we look? Why why is marriage dependent on the way we look?
No, Rubina, no, you are wrong again, because the whole story of a girl's life is getting married to the right man here in Pakistan, yes or no? And I'm talking about the chartered accountants, I'm talking about the doctors, and I'm talking about the top tier corporate
You're
girls.
absolutely right. Because I also, with Hope Uplift Foundation, we have a Rishta group.
Oh.
And we post pictures of girls and boys and their profiles. And boys only want good-looking girls. They don't care कि उनके दिमाग में क्या है, उनकी personality कैसी, वो उनसे मिलते भी नहीं. Picture जाती है उनके पास और वो खामोश हो जाते. ऐसे कम से कम मिलो तो, लड़की खाली एक शक्ल थोड़ी है.
फिर रुबीना, आप इस माहौल में लड़कियों को स्किल अपग्रेड करने का और एजुकेट होने का कह रही हैं?
बिल्कुल मैं कह रही हूँ, बिकॉज वी शुड, दैट्स अनदर थिंग वी शुड अनलर्न, कि बस अरेंज मैरिज ही होगी. इफ यू आर स्मार्ट, इफ यू आर इंटेलेक्चुअली शार्प, स्मार्ट, एंड यू आर अ गुड हैप्पी पर्सन, यू विल अट्रैक्ट पीपल योरसेल्फ. यू डोंट हैव टू वेट कि कोई रिश्ते वाली आंटी कोई लड़का लेके घर पे आएगी. वो चीज़ें थोड़ी आउटडेट हो गई हैं.
Rubina, my next question is again a bit harder one.
Okay.
You are a trainer. You meet so many girls. Do you think that molestation and harassment with young girls is a very common topic here in Pakistan?
It is. It's swept under the carpet, unfortunately. But what you're not talking about is molestation of boys.
Oh,
You would be surprised at how many boys get molested, because we think they're safe. We don't look after them the way we look after girls. वो किचन में जाते हैं, वो ड्राइवर के साथ बाहर खेल रहे होते हैं. So it is common for both.
so what we being mothers, we being the corporate mothers, or what are you teaching to your other corporate students to take care of their kids?
So the most important thing which is
Do you
happening,
talk about these things?
Yes. But the most important thing which is happening is that the schools are talking about it already. They're teaching the children at this level. Plus, we have to be smarter. We have to have cameras in the house. We have to be able to see what's happening, where our children are going. जैसे हम लड़कियों को नहीं बाहर भेजेंगे ना, लड़के के साथ,
तो किसी गैर लड़के को लड़के के साथ भी नहीं
लड़कों को भी नहीं भेजेंगे. Look out for both of them. Keep them in spaces where you have cameras. तो टीमू का बड़ा जबरदस्त कैमरा ऐसे ही 7,000 का था. You can just put it in a spot and on your phone you can monitor. It's not even expensive. दराज से वो 7,000 rupees का मिल जाता
है ना?
Yeah, so make life easier for yourself.
Let's talk about the corporate girls now. What do you think? Are they getting the good opportunities, or they are again objectified like 10 or 15 years back?
Okay, well, there are lots of opportunities because they are desperate to fill those seats. State Bank of Pakistan का भी mandate आया हुआ है. उनको, give them promotions. We want to see them at senior levels. And I personally, I feel that the girls themselves are not taking that opportunity.
Oh wow!
Because we live in fear of, am I capable of doing this or not? अगर वही बात अभी सुबह भी उन्होंने की थी ना, कि if a boy knows 30% of the job, he will just go ahead and do it, and the girl will say, नहीं, I don't know this. ये 10 चीजें तो मुझे नहीं, इनमें से सिर्फ 8 आती हैं, ये 2 चीजें नहीं आती. I'm not eligible, and they don't have the courage to say, okay, I will take it up as a challenge. I hear them again and again say, अभी तो मैं 2 साल इस रोल में गुजार लूँ ना, फिर मैं अगले रोल के लिए तैयार हो जाऊँ. क्यों? Do it right now. If the opportunity presents itself, take it, grab it. Men do that.
तो फिर कमाने वाली औरत अच्छी माँ नहीं होती, कमाने वाली औरत अच्छी बीवी नहीं होती, और कमाने वाली औरत अपना घर नहीं संभाल सकती.
मैं आपको बताऊं हम क्या गलती करते हैं, कि हम कमाते, ठीक है, एक तो हम, because we're not ambitious. Ambition is scorned, कि अरे भाई इसको तो अपनी नौकरी की पड़ी है. आपने 8, 9, 10 घंटे लगाने ना, do it at a senior position. Why are you at an AVP level? बस वहीं पे हम मंडला रहे होते, and it makes us feel good, अच्छा, so I'm not ambitious. वो देखो वो डायरेक्टर बन गई, बच्चों को इग्नोर कर रही हूँ.
नहीं, चूंकि उसकी शादी नहीं हुई ना, वो इसलिए डायरेक्टर बन गई.
So what the girls have to do really is to organize their lives better. जब आप घर when a woman goes home, जाके वो बर्तन भी धोएगी, वो खाना भी पकाएगी, वो चपातियाँ भी डालेगी. You'll be surprised at how many girls go home and make make the chapatis themselves.
Yes,
ये हमारा
they take care of their parents,
Yes.
their parent-in-laws, and then the family here, the friends of husband and their friends,
Yes.
और फिर बच्चों के friends भी.
हाँ, वो डिनर होगा, if the husband wants to invite his friends over, वो खड़े होके खाने पका रही होंगी.
और वो प्लेटर की प्लेटर लगाएंगे.
Don't do this. Use your time wisely. जो वर्क के बाद का टाइम है ना, वो बच्चों के लिए होना चाहिए. Sit with them, check their homework, check their bags, talk to them about things, about important things. Talk to your husband about important things. ये काम hire somebody to do it ना. ये आपका काम नहीं है रोटियां पकाना. And your family.
अच्छे घरों की औरतें अपने घर के काम खुद करती हैं.
मैं आपको बताऊं, मैं लड़कियों से क्या कहती हूँ, मैं कहती हूँ आप बोलो जाके मेरे सर में दर्द हो रहा है, मैं आज नहीं कर सकती, प्लीज बाहर से खाना मंगवा, रोटी बाहर से मंगवा. अगले दिन फिर बोले, वो बहुत इरिटेट होंगे बिकॉज दे आर यूज्ड टू दिस ना, एंड दे विल बी लाइक देखो नौकरी छोड़ दो, तुम्हें किसने कहा कि नौकरी करो.
यस, क्या जरूरत है.
ये एक और मुसीबत,
ये बहुत बड़ी मुसीबत.
तुम तो अपनी मर्जी से करो.
Yes.
आपकी पूरी कमाई घर में खर्च हो जाएगी,
नहीं,
मगर
आप-
नौकरी आप यू नो दे विल जस्ट से कि ये तो नौकरी कर रही है, ये तो अपने कपड़े बना लेती है,
हाँ.
अपना मेकअप. रबिश. Most women spend most of their money on making their children's lives better.
Education.
Yes, on a better
Or decorating their home.
Yeah.
Or making awesome food at home,
Don't
bringing more
make
on
awesome
table.
food at home.
Or vacations.
My husband used to tell me, खुदा के लिए तुम खाना पकाने की कोशिश मत करो, तुम्हें नहीं आता खाना पकाना. Yeah, and I'd be like, नहीं, मैं
मीरा
तो
को आता क्या है?
या बट मैं फिर भी पका लेती थी बिकॉज मैं सोची थी अच्छा मैं तो ना 800 रुपए की एक मुर्गी मंगवा के कर लूंगी और ये मंगवाएंगे बाहर से तो 4000 का बिल आ जाएगा. बट इट्स स्टूपिडिटी. These are
मंगवा ले, अपना टाइम अपने बच्चों और अपनी फैमिली के लिए सेव करके रखें. रुबीना, बहुत सारे सवाल हैं बट कहते हैं ना वक्त की बंदिश है. आई सो वांट टू आस्क सो मेनी थिंग. इंशाल्लाह we'll be doing the part 2 of this episode. Thank you for coming to the
You're
program.
welcome. Thank you for inviting me.